This is a 2-year review of that sweet ride right there. Got this Coleman Minibike 2 years ago for my kids. I ride it a lot more than they do. I love this thing. I feel like a kid again on this, and it's so much fun. I have other machines that I ride, my kids ride. A real fast four-wheeler, and I've got a four-wheel drive, the kids one, riding lawnmower. They all have their specific uses, but in general, this thing is just fun to ride all the time. All I've ever had to do is tighten that chain a few times. I'll put a link to my chain adjustment video right here. Keep it lubed right where this clutch is. Also keep that chain lubed pretty well. So lube this chain, lube that chain, keep the tension right, and it should last a long time. Keep gas in it. One spark plug change. Took the light off after it started to jiggle, kind of jiggled loose. I think I lost a bolt. Took that off, and I just strap like a rechargeable bicycle light on there at night. And what works best is just wearing a headlamp. That way you always have light wherever you're looking. So had the headlamp, the little light here, and I put a little red blinking bicycle light back here for night rides out on dirt roads and on trails and stuff. But that's it. I mean, oh, I did a video before on adding these for a passenger. My girls use that sometimes. I'll put a link to the peg video right here. But yeah, this thing has been a cool little machine. I think I spent around $800. I have to go back and look, but and that was with a 3-year warranty. It's really comfortable. The seat is real cushiony. Fits my body size perfectly. I'm about 5'6". And my kids all ride it as well. Like I said, front shock works well. You can definitely tell it absorbs some of the bumps. I keep the pressure pretty low on these tires, and they also absorb a lot of roots with a lower air pressure. Real good gripping on sand. They're not good on mud. You'll slide out on the top of slick mud. But that's about all I can say. It's just been a real dependable, fun machine, and I ride this a lot more than anything else. It's very versatile. I can get places that my four-wheelers can't go because it's smaller, it's skinnier. I can get between trees. It's light enough to pick up over logs and things if I have to. It's easy to maneuver around stuff. I don't know if Coleman still makes this model, but if they do, I highly recommend it. As long as you take care of it and keep the chain adjusted properly, keep it lubed, it should last for years and years. There's really no reason why it wouldn't.